number 8 says find the most general antiderivative of the function. So you don't see the integral symbol. They're just asking for the antiderivative. The process is exactly the same. So again, sometimes they say antiderivative, sometimes they say integral. They may not have the integral symbol, but then they should say find the antiderivative. Now, they use the terminology find the most general antiderivative. That just means that we have to put the plus c, meaning we don't know what the constant is. We don't know if the constant's 5 or 7 or 92.1. We don't know. So most general means put the c. Also in number 8, you'll see that we kind of have some interesting exponents here. But really our rule applies to these as well. So this is going to be x to the negative 2, because negative 3 plus 1 is negative 2. And then I want to divide by negative 2, that new power. We can also do the same thing with fractional exponents. So this will be x to the 5/2, and this is all over 5/2. And I can't forget my plus c. So I'm going to kind of write this a little bit differently so I can kind of simplify it. So instead of writing it as a negative 2 in the denominator, I'm going to write this as a negative 1/2 x to the negative 2. And then instead of writing this as dividing by 5/2, I'm going to write this as 2/5. So anytime you're dividing by a fraction, you can multiply by the reciprocal. So instead of writing it as dividing by 5/2, I'm writing it as 2/5 as the coefficient, and then my plus c.